Hello everyone, this video introduces the XY table-to-point function in the vector conversion tool. This function allows you to create a point feature class based on the X, Y, and Z coordinates in a table. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the XY table-to-point tool. Double-click to open the function window. Input the table containing the X and Y coordinates to create the point feature locations. In the X field, enter the field in the table that contains the X coordinates, or longitude. In the Y field, enter the field in the table that contains the Y coordinates, or latitude. The Z field is optional and is used to enter the field in the table that contains the Z coordinates. Next, set the coordinate system for the output feature class. You can choose the coordinate system according to your needs. Finally, set the storage path and name for the output feature class. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion from the XY table to point will be successful. That's all for the introduction to the XY table to point function. Thank you for watching.